So I'm going to be cleaning these solar panels, and the way I do it is I just rinse all the dust off of them, and all I do is I set up the ladder, and of course bring the hose up to the area where you have the solar panels. In this case, I'm on top of a roof, 2-story. So so basically I dip the brushes in the water, then with the soap that it collects in the brushes, I don't know, it retains some of the water, so, and with the soap, so yeah. And it's kind of hard for me to show you guys with one hand recording and the other trying to scrub. I actually need a forehead camera. That would be ideal for this type of illustration of my work. But I learned that I just have to work with what I have. So yeah, that's why I'm using this this pole right here. They actually have more advanced ones, and they're used for window cleaning and for solar panel cleaning, and basically it's a water fed pole. So you just connect the water to a smaller hose, and you could allow water to flow through it or not. And then I think you could even connect the solution to that system. But I mean, if you just have one home and you just want to clean your own panels, this is the way that you can do it. It just takes some time. It's better to do it early in the morning or in the evening when the sun is about to set. That way it can stay cooler. You don't want to do it in the afternoon. I mean, you can, but the panels dry. They tend to dry, and the soap turns like to soap scum on the glass, like similar to a shower glass. And when you go and try to rinse it off, it's kind of harder to get it clean. You basically have to scrub it again just to get that stuff off. But right now it's not that bad from experience, and just from the sun hitting me right now and the temperature. It's perfect time to be doing this. And even if it wasn't, I wouldn't be complaining. So like I said, this is my job. This is what I do. This is what I'm getting to get. This is what I'm doing to get paid. So I just have to deal with it. So once I do that, I just did the top 4 just to show you guys. And then I go and I try to get all the soap from the back of the panel, and then I work my way down. Because if I started down here and then work my way up, the water's running down. So you want to just work from the top down. And that's all I have to do right there. These 4 are clean. Now I just have to go and do the rest. So